Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to add Dank bot in your Discord server. So actually it's very easy. You have two ways, either via internet, via the website, or via the Discord app directly. So the first method is to just type Dank on Google and here open the first link. After that, click on add to server and here you will have to log in first, then add the server that you want. For example, I will add it here and I will continue, give it all the permissions, and here click on authorize. And now as you can see, I have notifications of the Dank that has joined the server. So if I go to see here, I can get it started or I can set it up, etc. So this is the first method. Now for the second method, you can go to the server settings here and then go to app directory. Then here you can go search for Dank and you will find it here. Then you will have to add the app and then add to server. And then here you will add it to whatever server you want. And that's it. Now if I go back to my server, I will find that Dank is here. I can set it up, get it started, etc. So that's it guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.